Very happy Seniors Day to all of you. Jai Hind to all my respected seniors and to all my buddies. I am Cadet Rapimo K. Yantan. Today, I, on behalf of the second year cadet, would like to deliver a short speech on these beautiful occasions of Seniors Day. First of all, as we all know that NCC is all about unity and discipline, which is also being told by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, that NCC is an organization which gave us an opportunity and a platform to show our talents and skills. Dear seniors, before we joined NCC as a cadet, our only aspects and motive was uniform and to get certificate. But honestly, after joining NCC, our whole perspective got changed. We got to realize that we have got lots of things to learn and explore, whether it may be from Army, Navy or Air Force or any other fields. We are groomed and shaped. I should say that it is you all who have taught us the real meaning of unity and discipline, and to be a responsible person, which is special from ordinary being. From NCC, we have learned how to respect our seniors and how to behave with our juniors and even to the society. It is you all who have sacrificed your precious time in molding and shaping us, knowing that we are the future generations, and having full faith and hope that we will become someone in the days to come. Your good deeds and your good fame will be kept in our heart and mind. We will follow your footsteps and we will make a better impact. Even despite of this deadly pandemic, you all are so concerned for your juniors that you all have organized a special online classes for the experience, and indeed we are learning many more from these classes. I hope and pray that the situation becomes stable and learn many unlearned things which we have left behind. Last but not the least, I once again wish all my seniors a very happy Seniors Day, and I also want to thank all my buddies for giving me this beautiful opportunity to deliver a short speech on this Seniors Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
As today we are celebrating the NCC Seniors Day, is a small tribute from the first years to our seniors. And here it goes. From first year to second year, as we grew from Makras to responsible juniors, you all were the reason for where we are now. You all are the reason for whom we can differentiate between good and bad. You all were the reason whose principles shaped up our life for a better future. You all were the reason whose teachings and ragras have made us what we are today. Yes, seniors, you have been our strength and inspiration for a year now, who have guided us from darkness to light, from river to sea, from good to better, from rain to rainbow, from first year to second year. What can we say more other than saying thank you all, thanks a lot. जोश हाई है और रहेगा, रगड़ा अवेट्स। जय हिंद सीनियर्स।
Second years, ready, up. Nice. Second years, first years, करेगा अच्छा से। Yes. Best. Last turns. Ready. Up.
This is the opportunity to show the tribute to our seniors for their selfless effort. We should show that gratitude to our seniors whenever consider us less than their own. Every time they used to inspire us and motivate us whenever requires. They are the one who prepare us to take the tough situation in our life at the early stage with their knowledge and patience. So on this special day, we will make it memorable by showing our gratitude to our seniors. My dear seniors, we will never forget you wherever we are. We are very thankful and grateful for all your effort. Thank you.